Well, the last 2 days have consisted of near record-breaking high temperatures, but now we're going to switch to see near record-breaking high-low temperatures. Now for the next couple days, or really here on out, our high temperature records are pretty much set in the 60s across most of the area, so it's going to be hard to get even close to those, but we're going to be pretty warm and at least 2 overnight periods coming up. The first one comes tonight. Very warm as we go into tonight. Not really seeing the temperatures dip down too much. That's why we're seeing a pretty pleasant evening ahead of us. Temperatures falling very slowly as we go into the overnight period. 38 will be our low in La Crosse, 36 in Eau Claire. If we compare that to, again, our near record high lows, kind of confusing. Near record warm lows maybe is a little bit more sense. The record in La Crosse, 40 degrees set back in 1981. Forecast for now is calling for 38. Eau Claire just about 1 degree off, so still looking to be a little bit shy, but we'll have to see what happens. One thing to note is, of course, our low temperatures typically come in the early morning hours, but as we go into the end of tomorrow, we could see temperatures dipping down a little bit more before the midnight hour comes about. So we're not really going to know if we see these record breakers until we get all the way through the day tomorrow. Nonetheless, going to be unseasonably warm as we go to tonight to start the day off. That'll help us warm even more as we go into Monday, setting the stage for what looks to be the warmest day of the week and what could be the warmest day of the month. High temperatures south of I-90, even edging into the low 60s. 56 in La Crosse, 50 in Eau Claire. Most of us should be climbing back into the low 50s with a mostly sunny afternoon. This will definitely be the day to get outside and enjoy it. We're still going to be holding on to warmer temperatures for Tuesday and Wednesday, but we're going to see a little bit of a breeze kicking back up again. So tomorrow looking to be the most pleasant, most comfortable, less of a headache kind of day as we get it through the rest of the week. Definitely get out and enjoy it. Again, the temperature is still looking to be very nice for Tuesday and Wednesday, staying in the low 50s across most of the area, but we start to see a low pressure system, a strong low pressure system approach the area, giving us a chance for some rain as we go later into the day Tuesday, and strong winds. Even if it won't be raining the whole time, we're looking to have those breezy conditions return again. So get out and enjoy it tomorrow. As we go into Thursday, we start to see those temperatures slowly falling, still around 10 to 15 degrees above average on Thursday, but Friday is when we really start to return back to the near normal high temperatures in the mid 30s across most of the area. So this warm stretch is coming to an end. It's not looking like we're going to tank in temperatures, but it's definitely going to get a little bit cooler out. And again, we have a wetter stretch ahead of us as well. Our first chance comes Tuesday evening going into the nighttime. Most of us should stay mostly dry throughout the day on Tuesday, so we start to see some rain approaching, mainly first north of I-94 as we get sometime after about 6 p.m. This area of rain really expands as we get into the overnight period. So by Tuesday night, more of us starting to see those showers, mainly east of the Mississippi and north of I-90. Possibility for a little bit of a wintry mix further to the north, but it looks to stay far into the northern portion of the state. By Wednesday, looks mostly dry, but we could still see maybe a couple leftover showers going throughout the day, and then it ushers in, kind of mixes in with the next system that comes going into Thursday. By that point, again, our temperatures will be falling, so we could see some snow moving in. Most of the day, Wednesday and Thursday, look to be dry, but definitely a wetter, more active week ahead. All to say to get out and enjoy it tomorrow because it's going to be pretty nice.
Definitely excited to soak it in tomorrow. It is too bad it is still February and the UV isn't higher. We could all tan.
Get that tan on.
But
yeah.
wishful thinking. Thanks, Nicole.